Hi there, it's Ashish once again, and I'm here to help you navigate efficiently through your test prep journey. Agenda for today: how to register for SAT or Subject SAT in College Board's account. Before we move ahead, don't forget to subscribe our channel for further updates. Let me walk you through how to create an account on College Board. First thing, we need to feed in the URL for College Board. Just go on sign in and we'll be going ahead with we don't have an account, create account option. I'm a student. To create the account, we will have to fill in the basic standard information, that is first name, middle name, last name, gender, date of birth. Point to be noted, these information must match our official educational documents. Email address here need to be given for student. Confirm email address, high school graduation or equivalent month and year. Point to be noted, this information is important. For CBSE ISC students, the month will go as April and the year in which they will be appearing for 12th grade exam. For IB diploma student, the month will go as June, and for the year in which they will be appearing for their final diploma exam. Zip or postal code, definitely if you select outside US, you don't need to feed into this detail. Your school name will be fed into this column. Username and password, you will have to create a unique username. Usually, you can combine your name along with your school name, your name along with your parents' name, or maybe your pet name to create a unique username. And definitely keep it written down somewhere. You need to remember these details for further login, so please keep it safe. Password, you will have to create an alphanumeric password here. Confirm your password, choose a security question and its answer. Again, for account retrieval, please write down your security question and its answer. Personal information here, your address, city, postal code, region, country, mobile number, and again you have option if you want to opt in for reminders as well as some marketing messages from College Board or not. And the last one is subscription. It's on you whether you want to subscribe for these or not. Last section is parent information, where your parents' first name, parents' last name, parent email address, parent email address confirmation, and definitely click on to CC a parent email service. So all the information which is being sent to you will also be reported to your parents' email address. Agree to the term and condition because it's pretty much repetitive in all the portals where they're talking about your privacy, how much of data they'll be keeping it as safe, how much of data they'll be releasing in for their partner companies or associates. So just agree to this and press next. I already have a dummy account created with me and I'll be using it to sign in and show you how to register for SAT. Once you log in, it will ask you for verify your account again, and the information which you will have to feed it into the portal all over again here will be your school and the grade. These information you have to scroll through, and once you confirm, here you are into the landing page where you can go into SAT or Subject SAT, whichever column you select. You will look at this point towards the end that it is pretty much indifferent what option you are selecting over here, be it SAT, be it subject SAT. Once you select this option, go on to register now. It will open a new tab where you need to verify your details all over again. I'll delete this previously created demo registration and I'll start as a fresh one here and click on register for SAT. Now, from here, they will be seeking in so much of information from you. Let's see how to survive this entire journey for next 30 minutes. Personal information, name, gender, date of birth, graduation year, and the current grade. Depending upon what grade you are in right now, you have to select the current grade. Point to be noted here. When they talk about current grade, they are talking about at the time of appearing for SAT, what grade you will be in. Here, I have selected 12th grade or higher, just as a sample. And thereon, your address, your phone number, and your email address verification. And you just need to continue this information by checking it all over again. Make sure none of the contact detail, phone number, email address is wrong here. Now, pretty much standard question which all the portals like ACT, they seek in these information about what all language are we trying to study or we are planning to study, what is our regional background. So just read these questions, and even if you make some error in this page, it won't create much of difference here. But be very precise about the parent and guardian details, and these are for data purposes only. They are saving these details, and you can choose to update later, and I'm choosing this option. I'll update these information later because right now registration need to be done at the earliest. And here SAT term and condition, just scroll down, agree. All the term and condition are pretty much standard, nothing to worry here. Press on to continue. Now here, as you remember a while back I stated, this portal is pretty much invariant on whether you select register for SAT or subject SAT. Towards the end, you'll ultimately select whether you want to register for SAT or subject SAT. So testing country or region, definitely outside United States because we're talking about India particularly here. Here, the subject SAT. Once you select subject SAT, all the options got changed here, and only those test dates will be shown where the subject SAT is available, and all the available subject SATs on those particular date will be shown to you. You can change your sub date for subject SAT and look for if your desirable subject is available or not. Here as a demo, I'll be going ahead with August 29 to be the subject. I'll just select one subject as of now because I'm not certain about what other two subjects for me should be there. I don't need any accommodation. Fee waiver, I do not need it, so no, and continue. Now let's stop here for a minute and understand why I just selected one subject right now. Let's say I'm not certain about other subject SAT choices which I can appear on a given test date. I can just go ahead with one subject registration, and at a later date, I can make any changes. I can add in a couple of more subjects, or I can cancel my registration and I'll be given a refund. But this cancellation can happen only till a certain time. Beyond that, no registration is possible. So, my emphasis of giving you this loophole here is whichever subject you are certain with, just go and register for that. You can add in any subject later, or even without adding in, you can report to your exam center and take additional subjects up to 2 extra and come back and make the payment later. Point to be noted in mind is while you are planning to take 2 subject SATs, you cannot just take one diligently and kind of just attempt the second one partially, because in that case both the scores will get reported. You will either have to cancel the entire attempt or you will have to take one more attempt for both the subjects or one of the subjects, but this score will remain in the record. So you just go ahead with whatever subject you are very much certain with or you have prepared well for. Once all your subjects are selected, you need to select a test center, and here we are in Gurgaon, so I'll be going ahead as Pathways Aravali. Here in Pathways World School, the entire team is well equipped to handle students, and none of our student in past has experienced anything odd at this particular center. So I'll go ahead with selecting this one. Again, point to be noted, if your school is offering SAT for its student, as in there are a few schools, for example American Embassy and Heritage School, which offers SAT and subject SAT for its student only. You can request for the test center code from the administration, and on the place, rather than selecting the test center, you can just feed in the test center code and select your school to be the test center for your subject SAT. And here I have selected Pathway, so I'll continue with it. We need to upload a photo, and since a while back I created a demo video for SAT registration, I already have the photo uploaded here. And continue. We do not need to buy any of these resource material. Just press continue. Review all your detail very precisely, as in you don't want to make any mistake here. Don't tick storing the payment information over here. Make payment. Read all the instructions carefully. These are pretty much standard confirmation page where they are talking about have you checked in all the information. If you want, you can go back again and just hover over all the details which you have given on these registration page. Please make sure your date of birth, name, address, high school code and the grade on test date is correct. And now the make payment page. Here you can select your PayPal account or Visa, MasterCard, and Amex, all other possible payment options. And this is a dummy account, so I won't be making the actual payment. And this is all the information which you need or require for subject SAT registration. If you found this video to be informative or to be useful for your registration process, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.